If you have a 2015 to 2025 Chevy Malibu and you get in your vehicle and you get a no start, no crank, your problem, let me show you. It's going to be right here. After you have checked out to make sure the battery, and then also you have checked to make sure it's not the starter. But this is going to be your problem right here. The battery control module. I got this one off Amazon for like 75 bucks. But when you buy it, it comes with all the fuses. So what it was, my old one had a burnt out fuse. I put this one on, which is real simple. A few screws, and then put the battery back on. Put the battery back on, it cranked right up. So if you're having that no start, no crank problem on a 2000, I think 15 to the 9th generation Chevy Malibus, that's going to be your main problem right here. This problem right here, if you have a no start, no crank. Also on Marco Cats for Cars, don't forget to subscribe and check me out for more.